Okay, so we will understand the meaning of credit sale. Followed by that, we will understand the related aspects. Okay, so it refers to the transaction involving movement of goods and services. However, the payment will be made at later point in time. Okay, so we have written the technical definition that it refers to movement of goods. Okay, however, we will understand this through an example. So, but you can refer the definition for future reference also. Okay, so that is why I usually write the definition first, then I will move to example always. Now, let's say suppose there is Mr. A who is a business owner, and there is Mr. Z. Okay, now what happens when Mr. A will supply some goods and services, okay, of let's say suppose $1,000. Now what happens? Mr. Z or Mr. Z said to Mr. A that I will pay you within 1 month. Okay, the payment will not be made immediately. So that becomes the instance of credit sale. Okay, sale on credit basis. Now what happens? To record that transaction, there will be two items affected. Okay, first of all, debtors. Now who are the debtors? Debtors are the persons from whom the amount is recoverable. So as in the current case, Mr. Z is a debtor for Mr. A. Okay, so you can write on to your books. However, I will also amend the same. Okay, so Mr. Z will be a debtor for Mr. A. Okay, because the amount is recoverable from Mr. Z. Okay, because he has promised to pay within 1 month or after 1 month. Okay, and second is the sale item, that is the actual revenue, because when Mr. A sold certain goods of $1,000 to Mr. Z, so there will be the revenue which is being generated, okay, in form of sale of goods and services to Mr. Z. So that is why two accounts will be affected. First of all, debtors, and second one is sale. However, that matches with, okay, so that matches with our choice C. However, accounts receivable and debtors can be used interchangeably, okay, and sale will remain same. So choice C is the correct answer. However, you can write what I have written so far, but choice C is the correct answer as we have derived. That's all.